Hello. Well, this is my second video actually, and yeah, it's been like several years since I haven't touched this channel. So I thought, what about maybe just like do another kind of redstone machine video. Last video that one I did was about a command machine. Probably doesn't work anymore. It wasn't very well done, but I'm still gonna leave it right there just for the sake of just leaving it there. Well, today what I'm going to do is a piston machine that will enable you to do a bridge out of lava in the new Minecraft update that is upcoming with 1.16. So itself, it will by itself it will, as far as I tested it, it only works in Java Edition. However, due to the block quasi-conductivity and redstone and all of that, uh, the design for the same machine in Bedrock Edition should be roughly similar but a bit different. Um, well, still, let's just head on onto it. So I'm going to create a new video, a new world, uh, as a redstone ready world, and I'm going to teach you how to basically build a machine, and then we're going to test it. After that, I will show you how to how would a similar design would look like through the new after the new update is being placed on Bedrock Edition. However, due to the fact that some of the blocks right there, that such as the block that is being generated in order to do the bridge, still has not been added to Bedrock Edition, the machine will not work until the new update is released. So let's get on to it. So for this machine in Java Edition, you will need sticky pistons. Then you will need some observers, some either slime or some honey blocks. I prefer the texture look of honey blocks. Plus, if you want to ride the machine, you don't have to be afraid of getting thrown away, yeeted towards the other side of the world by the piston machine. So, in my humble opinion, it's much better to use honey blocks for flying machines. And then what else do we need? We need some blue ice, and finally we need some soul soil, which is a block that is going to be added in the next update. So we take the bedrock or any other non-movable block, just for the sake of making it just for the sake of making it ready for survival. I'm just gonna use some obsidian instead of bedrock, but you can use any block that is not moved by pistons. So first of all, we're going to do a simple redstone engine, which consists of an observer with its face looking outside, and the redstone signal generator placed towards the machine, aiming at a sticky piston connected to two honey blocks, and then we will do the exact same on top. So basically, this will generate a machine that once one of the either of the observers is powered, it will shoot out the piston that is connected to it, which will, due to the block update getting generated, being spotted by this observer, will create a reverse signal, and due to the quasi-conductivity, a flying machine is created. Okay, so once we have the engine, the next of the steps are actually that difficult. So what we will do is we will should have make it one block higher. Let me try fixing that. There we go. And we will take the soul soil and the blue ice. Doesn't matter which goes on top, which goes on bottom, but basically we need both of them for it to work. Don't worry, it won't melt, but wait. What it's recommended is that you make it face the opposite way from the block. In order, wait. Actually, it should be better, just in case, to avoid any problems, to do so. So these two combinations of blocks, one. So if there is a lava block right here, as you will see right now, what will happen is this lava block will be changed into a basalt block. So by doing so, we can just go to the nether, start a machine, and all of the lava blocks that are being generated, that are draining this block, will start getting turned to basalt blocks, and the machine will continue to occur. The bridge will begin to be created. So let's test it on the end to see how it will work. Remember that this can also very easily be obtained be made in survival, because the resources are not pretty hard. Well, slime is a bit hard to obtain, but if you know how to get it, you can get it easily. And then the other tricky part of how to get is the blue ice, which is quite rare per se, but if you are lucky enough, then you can easily get it. And then the quartz for the observers can easily be found in the nether. Anyway, let's hop into the portal and see how the machine can be created. Ooh, I spawned in one of the new biomes. Nice. Anyways, so see how the quartz was easily generated. We just spotted a few. Anyway, so what I will do is first I'll go to the surface right here. Now this part is going to be tricky for the reason that if you try to dip yourself in lava, well, first there's the risk of getting burned. Second of all, so be careful to use a potion there. Second of all, as you can see, it's pretty hard to see. So make sure you know where you're placing the blocks, because if you break it and you're under the lava, then you will lose the item. So also make sure to carry spares. Some spares. Okay, so I'm gonna make this short bridge, and then so I'm going to connect this right here. This right here. Okay. The thing is, right now I don't know if how many blocks I stacked. If it's like 3, that's 1. That's another. So if we do this, now we do the blue ice, and right here we do this. Did it get placed? I tried putting a torch or something. Let's see if this works. Nope, it didn't. Anyway, so I don't think I placed the block right there. See, I told you it was quite difficult to make sure that you place the blocks. So the blocks has been placed already, and now notice how so basically this has, so the honey position is basically kind of in this shape, and now the trick is using, in order to avoid the block limit, we placed the observer facing this way. So like how, wait, so like this and that, and then this and that, and the other slime blocks right there. This way, we can ensure that we can release the machine easily. Wait, so that, and then this, without having to break any blocks of the machine, which would be a bit of a pain in the ass. Now, great. Anyway, so if I start the machine, as you can see, the blocks start getting generated, and the bridge creator is done. Now, what you can do if you want to, there is another way that you can do, so that not, because like right now one block, only a one block bridge is, I mean, it's fine, it's enough, but I mean, we have enough resources to make more, right? Like, go big or go home. So what you can do is you copy the same design, but instead of using the slime, you do it side by side. So instead of using the honey block, you do side by side using this, and you do the exact same process. Like, you copy, like what we did in the middle, you do the same on both sides. So it would look something like, let me delete these blocks. Like right now, this won't generate anything because like there's no lava. But I mean, just to quickly show you how the machine would start. So we place the blue eyes, blue eyes, blue eyes, and then soil there. Is there any block preventing movement? No. Ah yes, the obsidian, of course. Then we do slime block again, and we do place observer with a piston. We place the piston and the other piston, and what we do is, oh wait, make sure to put the blocks of obsidian, or like the blocks that stop them, on the three of them, because right now what we're doing is not just one machine but three machines that will work at the same speed. So it will look like it's one machine, but it's actually three machines split in one, three machines that kind of are merged into one. So I will show you what happens. So once we place this, are all of the things placed? No. So this goes here, and then finally this goes here. The way to, a quick and fast way to activate this is you do this and then put a redstone signal, and then you break the obsidians. So now, once this gets activated, the machine will start going, and if this was lava, then a three-row bridge would be generated. Now, what happens if you do not place the obsidian block correctly? If you do not manage to ensure that the obsidian block is placed, well, this will happen. As you can see, the machine gets fucked up. The machine gets messed up. And then you have to start all over. So thank you for watching. This was kinda it.